6.5 inches. There we go. Basically ready to go up on the roof now. All right, ready to go. Up on the roof. Let's see. See how this does. Try to get some action shots here with my camera. Yep, there it is. Oh. Capped in a rod off. It's just the rivets or whatever melted or screwed up. Hey. Now, here we go. This is, that seems kind of jammed on here. Wow. Didn't think this was going to be that much of an issue. Well, sure enough, I am going to have to climb down and get like a pair of pliers or something. Well, here we are, and I left my gloves down, but hopefully I won't cut myself on sheet metal. Got myself some tools here. Let's just see if this works. I have a feeling I'm going to end up cutting it off, but I just jammed it on here before on this time instead of screwing it, which I guess I didn't realize that it looks like it may not even have screw holes. So yeah, there we go. That's gonna work. Brute force. Don't want to cut into the stovepipe itself. Let's see. Just get as far down as I can. There we go. Yep. Let's just toss that down. There we go. We do have holes. And actually there's two of the screws that were up here before, and I actually brought some more. Somebody gave me this quite a while back, and I've almost never used it. It's a little magnet wrist thingy. Pretty darn handy. So let's see. Let's go ahead and start the screws. I might as well use the old beat up ones first. They're still actually in good shape. They're just a little rusty, and yeah. All right. case. Find the old holes now. One's there, then one ought to be about here. Right. Well, we'll see. I'm just gonna have to. There's only one that I can see, and I'm gonna put. That may have just been intended to hold on, to hold the there, to hold the. That may have just been intended to hold the thing on because it had the collar. And I'm gonna have to drill others. I'm glad I brought the drill. Well, I already had to use the drill once, so. I don't know if you can see this, but hey, there we go. And my knee is killing me, so I'm gonna sit down. Okay. Now does that work? Okay, that works about there. No, this is just uncomfortable no matter what position I get in. Okay. There we go. There's that. Ow. Looks about good there. Well, if that's not a redneck repair, I don't know what is. Except for, hey, it's stainless steel, so that makes it a little bit something. I decided to go ahead and put one more screw in here. Because I have it, and that might keep it from wobbling around so much. I hadn't thought about that occurring. There, that actually made it a lot better. So, thanks for following along. God bless y'all. See you next time.